Hello, we're back at BioEurope's spring session for 2016 here in Stockholm, Sweden. I'm Sten Stovall of Pharma Insights of Informa, and I am an editor and writer for our publications Script, The Pink Sheet, and In Vivo. And joining me here is Anne-Marie Wenthzel, and she is the head of business development with Sprint Bioscience in Sweden. Hi, thanks for being with us.
Thank you.
First question is, you seem to be focusing on different aspects of cancer cell metabolism. Well, tell us about that and how you go about with your business model.
Yeah, we have chosen to focus on tumor metabolism. And the reason is that cancer cells have a different metabolism from healthy cells, giving us the possibility to focus on cancer cells specifically, thereby avoiding the side effects that you now and then get from other treatments. Because in the very end, I mean, treating cancer is actually killing cells. That's what you want to do, and you want to kill the cancer cells specifically and don't get too much side effects for the patients. That's why we're looking at the tumor metabolism.
Okay, now you say your business model focuses on driving projects from idea to late stage with candidates in a time and cost-effective way. Now, how do you do that?
How do you do? Yeah, well, as you correctly said, we start all our projects in-house. So go from idea to, late preclinical stage, where we aim to find collaborators to take it into clinic. So what we want to do is to be focused on the preclinical stage of the development, where we are really, really good. And we want to stay good at what we do and be the best on that. So what we typically do is that we start a number of programs in parallel, and it could be a long list of programs, and ticking off boxes that have things in it that has to be fulfilled to be able to be part of our program. And that can be you have to have the be able to do structures, because everything we do is structure based. So you thereby have to be able to do protein and things like that. And what we also do is we quite early go out and speak with potential customers out here, talking to pharma companies to see if there is a commercial interest in the target that we have chosen. Because if it's not, there's no point for us to drive this program.
So you take it up to a predetermined point and then you pass it back to the client?
No, we start everything ourselves, right? And we go out very early and start to talk about the programs to get feedback from the pharma companies.
Right.
What do you want to see? Is this interesting for you? Yes, it is. It's great. And especially if you look into this and this and that. So the input we get is driving the development that we have in-house to a certain stage where we say that now it's ready to go into a collaboration or out-license with a partner that is going to take it into clinic.
And you're going to stay preclinically oriented?
Yes, we are. Of course, we can if it's in the interest of the program, we can drive it further. But then we need to have the input from someone who is really, really good at the clinical side of things, because we want to stay focused on the preclinical side of it and be really, really good at that.
And you went public recently?
November 2014. So.
Okay, why did you choose that route rather than getting angel money or whatnot? You wanted to be quoted, obviously.
Yeah, well, there's a point of being public, and of course it's to get access to money. That's the simple answer. And we had a very successful IPO. And the share has been increasing, the value of the company has been increasing very nicely along the way. So the IPO we had at 15 Swedish crowns, and today we are at a little bit above 40. So we are very happy with the development.
And where does acquisition strategy lie within your strategic needs going forward, if anywhere?
Acquisition?
Any M&A? Are you interested in any of that?
No, we are aiming to stay strong and be a company on our own, continue to develop programs.
And not buy anything else in?
No, I don't think so. Not at this point anyway, because we have a really, really nice way of starting up programs and finding novel targets, because that's what we really have to go to. I mean, it has to be novel.
And you're adequately funded at this point?
Yes, we are. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Anne-Marie, good luck.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.